Hiya, I'm at a cattle mart in Delvin, County Westmeath, and I'm here because they're not selling cattle. How are you? How's it going? I have no idea what kind of fair it is, so I'm just going to go in and have a look. How do you get in?
Huh?
How do I get in?
Oh yes, sorry, did you not get in
No,
yet?
no, where did, oh, is it back up here, is it?
Oh, back up to the pub at the top end there, the finale. It says welcome to Delvin Book Festival.
Oh, okay.
The white door, it's a bit of a giveaway.
I saw that kind of a man brought down to his knees by love. He was the kind of a man that would gamble on love. Look you in the eye and never back up. But I saw him cry like a little whipped pup because of love. You can't see it with your eyes, hold it in your hands, but like the wind that covers all land, strong enough to rule the heart of any man, this thing called love. It can wake you up, never let you down, take your world and turn it all around. Ever since time, nothing's ever been found that's stronger than love.
It's a fundraiser for the Delvin Sports and Leisure Centre. This is the biggest book fair in the country.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are the people mad readers around here?
Well, evidently so. As the fella says, you know, they are, because they come here from Donegal, Mayo. Yeah, they come in from England. Some people come in from England just for this.
Tell me, how many books did you get?
This is like
Over 20.
Over 20.
Amazing. What kind of books are they?
Most I like crime and stuff. So some of them are crime, some of them are like historical kind of books.
Are your family not scared that you're interested in crime books? Do they not think that's a bit weird?
I don't think they know.
Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 3, 20. 20, they're yours as well. 20 is fine.
There you go, that's
We don't need that.
So you got eyewitness books?
Oh yeah, most infamous crimes. I'd read anything, tell you the truth. I'd read anything, fishing books, I'd read anything.
And who got you into reading?
I spent a year in Blanchardstown Hospital in '72, and obviously when you're in hospital for nearly a year, you have to do something.
Yeah.
So that really got me in.
TB or something?
No, it was a thing called sarcoidosis.
Yes.
Pulmonary sarcoidosis, yeah.
Gosh.
It has the same symptoms of TB, but it wasn't, thank God, it wasn't
Right.
TB, you know. Well, I actually have them, I just bought them again.
Right. And would you then sell books and make a...
Oh jeez, no, I wouldn't sell that. I'd never sell a book.
Would you?
I'd give them away to friends, alright, but I wouldn't sell that, no.
Yeah.
I've about 14 or 15 sheds. A bit of sheds. The missus has me between her stuff and books and... Jeez, stop it. So
Right,
you have
14 or 15 sheds?
I have 14 sheds, yeah.
And they're full of books and stuff?
Full of books.
Mostly autobiographies, biographies, historical novels. That's my genre.
What's the latest one you read?
I'm in the middle of reading Nelson Mandela's speeches at the minute, in his own words. Yeah.
Are they good?
Very interesting book.
Do you
Yeah.
write at all yourself?
I don't write. No, I don't write. I write a loud song on it, but that's Shinish Kealala.
Are they good songs?
Would I say they weren't?
Yes, I admit that I'm a fool for you, because you're mine.